Sai Ram children, good morning. Welcome back. Hope so you have enjoyed your Diwali vacations. So now back to studies and you have to complete your books. Let's continue with our chapter 12, equations in one variable. Let's revise what we have studied in the previous session. The important points. First point is the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of the equation. So you have to remember children, the value of the variable. Variable you know, the letters we use. So value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of the equation. Next is solving an equation means to find the solution of the equation. So when we solve the equation and the value we get, it is nothing but the finding the solution of the equation. Next is the equation obtained by performing the same operation on its both sides does not change its solution. So when we perform the same operation, that is on its both sides, so the equation obtained does not change its solution. And operations done on both the sides of an equation are, so which are the operations, mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the operations we do. So remember children, to add the same number to both the sides. So when we solve the equation and if we add, that is add the same number to both the sides. To subtract the same number from both sides. To multiply both sides by the same number. And to divide both sides by the same non-zero number. So here you have to remember children, during division, that is when we divide, we have to divide both sides by the same non-zero number. When we say non-zero number, it means number can be positive, number can be negative, it should not be zero. So we have to keep these points in mind. And let's continue with practice set 12.1. And that first Roman we have done, in which values of the variables were given and we have to decide whether these values were the solutions. And we have done that part, that is by substituting the values. Now second part, that is solve the following equations. So here we will be solving the equations. First question is 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. So this is the question given. 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Now while solving the equation, what we have to do? We have to keep the variables one side and the numbers, that is constants, one side. So we have to keep variables one side and constant, that is numbers, one side. So what we will do is this 17p. Now here minus 2 is given. This we have to take to the other side of the equality. So it is given minus 2. So what we have to do is, when it is given minus 2, so we have to keep the thing in mind, to take the opposite operation. So opposite operation of subtraction is addition. Keep in mind, opposite of subtraction addition, and additions it is subtraction. And in case it is multiplication given or the sign involved is multiplication, then we have to take division. And if division is given, multiplication. So actually what it is, we are adding 2 on both the sides. So when you will add 2 on both the sides, so what will become? 49 plus 2, and this side it will become 17p minus 2 plus 2. It is like this. So minus 2 plus 2 has become 0. And what is remaining is 17p. So keep in mind how we have got 17p and is equal to 49 plus 2. So these steps and all we are not showing here in 8th standard. In previous standard you have done by like in this method, adding 2 on both the sides. So same thing we are doing, but we are not showing it. So keeping in mind which operation we have done? We have done adding 2 on both the sides. So when we say here adding 2 on both the side, minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So it is 17p is equal to 49 plus 2. So now what we will say is, we will say taking minus 2 to other side of the equality. So when it is given minus 2, we have to take opposite sign of it. So it will become adding 2 on both the side. And how I have shown you how it is. So and then next step is 17p is equal to 51. 49 plus 2 is 51. Now 17p, when we say 17p, the sign involved, it is 17 into p. So when we say 17 into p, it is 17, p is equal to 51. So the sign involved is multiplication. So now we are going to take division. So dividing by 17 on both sides. So 17p divided by 17. So this step 17p divided by 17 is equal to 51 divided by 17. So dividing by non-zero number on both the sides. So 17 will get divided. And what will remain is p is equal to 51 upon 17. So this way we have got the step this p is equal to 51 upon 17. And now you divide 51 by 17. So it is 17 threes are. 17 ones are 17 threes are. So the answer is p is equal to 3. So solution is 3. P is equal to 3. Now children, you can also substitute the value and find whether the given answer is correct. So verification also you can do. Now for verification, what you are going to do? You are going to substitute the value of p as 3 in the left hand side. So 17 p, it is 17 into 3. 17 threes are 51. 51 minus 2 is 41. And we have got the answer 41. It means our solution is correct. Answer is p is equal to 3. Now next question, that is third I have taken. Second is taken in assignment. It is given in assignment. Third question is 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. What we have to do? We have to bring variables on one side. So variables on one side means 2x will come to other side of the equality. This is equality. So 2x we will bring to left hand side. And when 2x will bring to left hand side, it is given addition. No sign is seen. You can see any sign here with 2x? No. So it is understood. It is positive 2x. So it will come to other side as negative 2x. So we are going to write 3x minus 2x. Now plus 12, that is positive 12, plus 12. So which sign we can see? Addition sign. Now plus 12 we will take to right hand side, other side of the equality. As it is given positive plus 12, so it will become minus 12. So the next step which we have got is 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 4 minus 12. And now we have to solve them. 3x minus 2x is x. And minus 4 minus 12 will give you minus 16. So our answer is x is equal to minus 16. This is the solution of the equation. Next question is 5 multiplied by, that is x minus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by the whole bracket x plus 2. So what we are going to do here is opening the bracket. We have to follow BODMAS rule. So first thing we will open the brackets, and we have learned how to open the bracket. 5 is multiplied with full bracket x minus 3, right? So first 5 will multiply with x. 5 multiplied with x is 5x. And then next is 5 multiplied with minus 3. So 5 multiplied with minus 3 is minus 15 is equal to, now here 3. 3 multiplied with x will give us 3x plus 3 multiplied with 2 will give 6. So we have got here 5x minus 15 is equal to 3x plus 6. So first step we have done is bracket open. Now next step is we are going to bring the variables to one side. So we know that 3x is on the right side. We will bring it to the left side. And it is understood. It is plus 3x or positive. So we are going to write as 5x minus 3x is equal to, now 6 is already here. 6 is on the same side. We are not doing anything to 6. Minus 15 is taken to other side. So minus 15 means which sign we have to take? Addition. If subtraction is given, minus 15 we have to take addition. So it will become 6 plus 15. Then the next step is 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is 2x. So write here 2x. And 6 plus 15. 6 plus 15 is 21. Now the next step is when we say 2x, the sign involved is subtraction. So we have to divide. Dividing by 2 on both the side. So when you will divide by 2 on both the side, here when you divide by 2, it will become x. And 21 divided by 2. So we are going to write here x is equal to 21 upon 2. Now leave as it is the fraction. If we are able to reduce to lowest term, we reduce it. But here we are not able to. So leave as it is this in the form of this fraction only. No decimal, nothing. So answer is x is equal to 21 upon 2. Next question. 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is the question given. 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. So what we will do is, it is given here plus 1. So plus 1 we will take to other side of equality. So addition will become addition. So what we have to do, subtract on both the sides. Subtract 1 on both the side. So what we are going is this, 9x upon 8 is equal to 10 minus 1. Now what is 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9x upon 8 is equal to 9. Now when we say 9x upon 8, it means it is division. So when it is given division, what we have to do? We have to take multiplication on both the side. Multiplying by 8 on both the side. So when we say 9x upon 8 multiply with 8, 8 get cancelled. And what is remaining is 9. So all these we are not doing. Now it is understood. We have learned to solve the equation. So 9x is equal to 9 multiplied by 8. And then 9x. So now the sign involved is multiplication. So what we have to do here? Dividing by 9. So 9 into 8 upon 9. And then 9 will get cancelled. And what is remaining is 8. X is equal to 8. Even you can do, children. X is equal to 9 into 8, 72 upon 9. And then you can write 8. So it's up to you how you are doing the calculation. First you are multiplying and writing 9 into 8, 72 upon 9. Or you are directly dividing 9 with 9. The answer is 8. Next question is y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. So here first term is also having that is denominator, that is y upon 7. 7 is the denominator here. Next, y minus 4 is also having the denominator 3. So what we have to do is, we have to check the denominators. Denominators are 7 and 3. They don't have any factors in common. So we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of denominator is 21. They don't have any factor common. So 7 3s are 21. So we will be writing multiplying each term by 21. How we got the 21? First, the term is having the denominator 7. Next is having 3. So 7 3s are 21. Each term we will multiply by 21. So y upon 7 into 21, y minus 4 upon 3 into 21 is equal to 2 into 21. Now we will solve it. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So 3y. We have got 3y. Then next it is given plus, so write plus. Now here 3 1s are 3 7s are. So y minus 4 full bracket multiply by 7, and 2 into 21 is 42. So we have got the step, that is 3y plus 7, the whole bracket is multiplied with y minus 4 is equal to 42. Now 3y plus, now again we will follow the BODMAS rule. Open the bracket first, so 7 into y, 7y, and minus 7 into 4, 7 4s are 20 is equal to 42. 3y plus 7y minus 28 is equal to 42. Same step I am carrying forward. So I have written it with purple color. So next you will come to know this step is repeated, but you will write once. So 3y plus 7y minus 28 is equal to 42. Now we will solve. Variables we are having on one side, 3y plus 7y. So 3y plus 7y is 10y is equal to minus 28 will go to other side of the equality. Minus 28 will become plus 28. Subtraction it is given minus 28. So we have to take opposite sign, plus 28. Now 42 plus 28 is 70. So 10y is equal to 70. Now 10y, it means 10 is multiplied with y. Y into 10. So dividing by 10 on both the sides. So here when we divide with 10y upon 10, we are getting y. So y is equal to 70 upon 10. Or directly we say it is given multiplication, it is going to other side. It becomes division. So y is equal to 70 upon 10. 70 divided by 10, answer is 7. Y is equal to 7. So this is the solution. Now this is the assignment question. It is a practice set 12.1. Second question. 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. So what you are going to do? You are going to take plus 7 to other side of the equality. So it will become minus 7. 2m is equal to 9 minus 7. Now what is 9 minus 7? It is 2. So you will write here 2m is equal to 2. Therefore m is equal to 2 upon 2. This 2 also have gone to other side as division. So m is equal to 2 upon 2. Now 2 upon 2 is 1. M is equal to 1. And now children, you have to complete your books. 12.1 previous session also we have done 1 Roman 1 and we have started with 12.1 second part. So till here you have to complete the sums, complete your books. So thank you children, and we will continue in the next session. Sai Ram.